When it comes to creating the perfect environment for your grow tent or indoor plants, controlling humidity is crucial. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth, mildew, and other issues that can negatively affect your plants. This is where a dehumidifier comes into play. Whether you're growing plants in a tent or keeping your indoor garden healthy, selecting the right dehumidifier is essential. Number 1 Mini Portable Dehumidifier, 500 ml for grow tents. The Mini Portable Dehumidifier is perfect for smaller grow tents or rooms. Its compact size makes it an ideal choice for those who are tight on space but still need effective humidity control. This dehumidifier can remove up to 500 ml of moisture per day, helping to keep your grow tent environment dry and free of excessive humidity. With its quiet operation and energy-efficient design, it's ideal for continuous use without disturbing your plant's growth cycles. The built-in water tank is easy to remove and empty, making maintenance a breeze. This dehumidifier is user-friendly and works automatically, making it a great option for beginners who are setting up a grow tent for the first time. With a sleek design, it blends easily into any environment. The dehumidifier is lightweight, allowing you to move it from room to room or place it exactly where your plants need it. Key features: capacity, removes up to 500 ml of moisture per day. Design, compact and portable for small grow tents. Energy efficient, low power consumption, perfect for long-term use. Quiet operation, operates quietly to ensure minimal disruption. Ease of use, automatic shut-off feature when the water tank is full. Portability, lightweight and easy to move from tent to room. Number 2 Electric Compact Dehumidifier with large 2L water tank. For larger grow tents or rooms, the electric compact dehumidifier with a 2-liter water tank offers a higher capacity for moisture removal. This model is efficient, pulling up to 1 liter of moisture out of the air daily, making it an excellent option for mid-sized grow environments. The large 2L water tank ensures fewer interruptions since it requires less frequent emptying, allowing you to focus on your plants without needing to monitor the dehumidifier constantly. Its smart design features an LED indicator, which alerts you when the tank is full, and an automatic shut-off function to prevent overflow. It also includes a built-in filter to trap dust and allergens, ensuring that your grow tent's air stays clean and fresh. Key features: capacity, removes up to 1 L of moisture per day. Water tank, 2-liter capacity for reduced maintenance. Smart features, LED indicator and automatic shut-off when the tank is full. Air filter, built-in filter to remove dust and allergens. Quiet operation, low noise function, making it ideal for use around plants. Energy efficient, designed to save energy while providing effective moisture removal. Number 3 Home Dehumidifier with adjustable humidity settings. If you're looking for more control over the humidity levels in your grow tent or room, the Home Dehumidifier with adjustable humidity settings is an excellent choice. This powerful model allows you to set the desired humidity level between 30% and 80%, providing the flexibility to tailor the environment according to your plant's needs. It can extract up to 2 liters of moisture daily, which makes it ideal for larger grow tents and rooms. Additionally, this dehumidifier comes with an easy-to-read LED display and touch controls, allowing you to adjust the settings with ease. The dehumidifier also features a continuous drain option, so you don't have to worry about manually emptying the tank. Key features: capacity, removes up to 2 L of moisture per day. Customizable settings, adjustable humidity levels from 30% to 80%. LED display, digital display for easy control and monitoring. Continuous drain, option for continuous water drainage. Portability, equipped with caster wheels for easy mobility. Energy saving, high-efficiency model designed to minimize power consumption. Number for industrial-grade dehumidifier for large grow rooms. For those managing larger grow rooms or even commercial-sized operations, the industrial-grade dehumidifier is a powerful solution that can handle vast amounts of moisture. This heavy-duty model is designed to remove up to 10 liters of water per day, ensuring that even in the most humid conditions, your grow room stays dry and optimal for plant growth. The dehumidifier features advanced controls, allowing you to set and monitor humidity levels, and a continuous drainage option, which is especially useful in larger grow setups. With a durable build, this dehumidifier is made to withstand prolonged use and harsh environments, making it perfect for heavy-duty grow rooms where humidity needs to be closely controlled. The industrial-grade dehumidifier also includes a large 5L water tank for manual removal if continuous drainage isn't an option. This model is equipped with adjustable fan speeds, allowing you to balance between noise and performance. It's also designed to operate efficiently, ensuring you get the best moisture control without excessive energy consumption. Key features: capacity, removes up to 10 liters of moisture per day. Durability, heavy-duty construction designed for large grow rooms. Fan control, adjustable fan speeds for a balance of noise control and performance. Large water tank, 5-liter tank for manual emptying if needed. Continuous drain, option for continuous drainage. User-friendly, advanced humidity control settings for precise environmental management. Number 5 SmartWi enabled dehumidifier for grow tent automation. For those looking to fully automate their grow tent or room, the SmartWi enabled dehumidifier is a cutting-edge option. This model allows you to control and monitor humidity levels directly from your smartphone via a mobile app, making it perfect for those who want to maintain optimal growing conditions remotely. It can remove up to 3 liters of moisture daily, ensuring a balanced environment for medium-sized grow spaces. The WI-Fi dehumidifier features an intelligent auto shut-off when the tank is full, and it sends alerts to your phone when it's time to empty the tank or adjust settings. With voice control compatibility, you can even integrate it with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. This model is particularly useful for advanced growers who want a high level of control over their grow space's humidity without constantly being on site. Key features: capacity, removes up to 3 liters of moisture per day. Smart features, Wi-Fi enabled for remote control via smartphone. App integration, compatible with mobile apps, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. Automatic shut-off, stops operation when the tank is full and sends notifications. Voice control, hands-free operation using voice commands. Energy efficient, designed for minimal power consumption with maximum performance. Conclusion: choosing the right dehumidifier for your grow tent or room depends largely on the size of your space and your specific needs. For smaller setups, the mini portable dehumidifier or electric compact dehumidifier might be perfect. If you have a medium or larger grow area, the home dehumidifier with adjustable settings or the industrial-grade dehumidifier could offer the power and control you need. Finally, if you're looking for a high-tech solution, the SmartWi enabled dehumidifier is ideal for remote management and full automation. Regardless of your choice, controlling humidity is key to ensuring the success of your plants, and any of these top 5 dehumidifiers sourced from AliExpress will serve you well. Keep your grow tent or room free from excess moisture and create the optimal environment for your plants to thrive.